Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a header and footer in Google Docs using the Format menu. So if you're working on assignments, projects, reports, resumes, or business documents, and you want your name, title, date, or page numbers to appear at the top or bottom of every page, this video is for you. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com and open your document. Now, instead of going to Insert, we're going to use the Format menu. So look at the top of the page and click on Format. Inside that list, you'll see an option called Headers and Footers. This option combines both the header and the footer together. Click it. Once you click Headers and Footers, a box will open on the right side of your screen. You will see adjustments like header margin and footer margin. But before adjusting anything, click inside the top area of your document to type your header. You will see a line showing that you're now inside the header space. Type whatever you want there, maybe your name, the document title, or the date. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click inside the bottom gray space to type your footer. This is where you can add page numbers, your email, website address, or any other information you want repeated on every page. If you want proper page numbers, click Insert at the top, then Page Numbers, and choose the style you prefer. If you want to change the size of the header or footer space, just go back to Format Headers and Footers and change the number in the margin box. Higher number means bigger space. Smaller number means tighter space. When you're done, just click anywhere outside the header or footer area to return to normal editing mode. Now every page will automatically have the same header and footer. And that's it! That's how to add header and footer in Google Docs using the Format menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials like this. See you in the next video.